Hey there everybody, this is Miss Ledesma coming at you with a tutorial on the assignments for October 2nd, Friday, October 2nd. Today is Thursday, so that is why Schoology on the homepage here, it is showing Thursday's assignments under upcoming. So tomorrow, when it's Friday, it'll say the day's date and show all of Friday's assignments right here, just like always. But for now, I'm going to go to the calendar to access them. The calendar has all of the assignments that past, present, and future that you ever may need to access. So if you are curious on how your child is doing with their homework, if they're staying on top of it, this is how you access it. You can get to everything for the whole month by going to the calendar. And I highly recommend you do. I've been grading some assignments and I've noticed a few kiddos falling behind on them. So if you want to take a peek on how they're doing, this is how. Highly recommend you stay on top of it, just because the more you fall behind, the more, or I guess the less practice they're receiving on skills that they need to move forward with. So looking at tomorrow's, Fridays, we see that we have 4 math assignments, all of them pretty self-explanatory. We've got counting tally marks, so you count the tally marks, write the result right here. We see that 5 plus 3 equals 8 if you were to count them all individually. So it's about recognizing the bundles of 5 plus an additional sum. So once they finish and they feel like they rocked it, they can say, yes, I can recognize and count tally marks to 12. And hit review, finish, and that's it. There are 4 total math assignments for Friday. So if I go into it, this one's a doubles one, so same setup. It's just about quick recognition of doubles addition. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. 6 plus 6 equals 12, and so on and so forth. Yes, they rocked it. Finish it up. So that was doubles, even and odd practice. And all of them should have some familiarity with these type of assignments, because this is all old review work that we've gone over. So fill in the missing even numbers. We start with 0 here, you move on to 2, 4, 6, so on. Fill in the missing odd numbers. The first positive missing odd number is 1, then we move to 3, 5, and so on and so forth. Then down here, we are given a number, we have to decide if it's even or odd. 18 can be split evenly into 2 equal groups, so it's even. 13 cannot be split evenly into 2, so it is odd. Not sure why I circled 13, but there you go. The even and odd assignment. And then going back to calendar. The last one is reading number words. So it's recognizing the spelling of a number and being able to say and draw out the number after reading it. So recognizing that this is the word 6 and that it goes along with the number 6. Recognizing this says 4 and being able to write the number 4 after it. And just like the other ones, they rocked it. That is all of the math. Then we have phonics. We've been working on rhyming. So with this one, it is organizing this set of words into their proper columns. So all the words that rhyme with hat go here, all the ones for ball here, all the words that rhyme with tree here. And we have really been focusing on how rhyming words have similar spellings. They contain the same types of letters. So for hat, we can see over here, cat also ends in an A and a T. Or for ball, a rhyming word for ball is all, and it also has the A and the L and the L. And tree, same thing, R-E-E, R-E-E. They're spelled similarly, and they also rhyme if you say them. They sound the same. Moving on, there was only one phonics for Friday. We have a social studies, label the good citizen. So if you open this one up, we see a boy and a girl standing here, and for both, we can label them using the prompts down here. So helps with his hands. We look here, there's a little box next to his hands, so we're gonna write help. With hands, we should be writing the entire phrase. Over here, I don't expect it to fit in the box, just over here in this area would be great. Same with all of the other ones. And there is one saying is responsible. This does not have to do with a certain part of his body. He is overall responsible, so that goes off to the side there. Same thing with the girl. And I will be on Class Dojo tomorrow if you have any issues with any of these assignments. So with writing, this is a sentence builder. We've been working on nouns and verbs. So the naming part, who is doing the action? Well, it's the little girl. So we could write the girl over here. And what is she doing? Well, she is washing the dog. So down here, the sentence, you need to put these two pieces together to make a full sentence that makes sense. So I would write the girl is washing the dog with a period at the end and a capital letter at the front. That is all you need to do for this one. Another writing is the missing teacher, which is very self-explanatory. It's just, my teacher isn't at school, draw a picture, where could I be? And then say where they think that I am. So I think my teacher is in the Bahamas. I wish. So, yes, we would write the location down here. That is the missing teacher writing assignments. And then there is a fall holiday. So over here, you would draw a picture of their favorite fall holiday activity. And then there's a sentence starter. You would trace on the dots to write it. My favorite fall holiday activity is, and then they would need to finish the sentence, is carving pumpkins. And they would write the rest of that down here with a period at the end and a picture up here. Whatever their favorite fall holiday may be. And then there is Get Epic. Tomorrow would be a great time to rack up some minutes on Get Epic. There's a reading video. Click me to listen to the book. It's a read aloud that takes you to YouTube. And then there are some spelling practice games. So that is all they need to do tomorrow. Reminder, there is no virtual meeting, so no need for that. Thanks for listening. If you stuck through this whole video, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.